Hi guys, thank you for stopping by to share with Julie today. I hope you're having a fantabulous day today, guys. These are some yellow dock, guys. Yellow dock, scientifically known as Rumex crispus, also called curly dock, I guess, because of the curls at the edge of the leaf. This is very good herbal medicine. The yellow dock is an alterative. It works on the entire system. It's a blood cleanser, blood purifier. It is anti-cancer. It's good for skin conditions, and it's also good for bleeding conditions that one would have to deal with. Women who bleed excessively during the period could consider yellow dock. There are some more yellow dock here. Dandelion, there's a whole lot of herbs here, guys. This is like, I call this area nature's pharmacy. So here we have some more yellow dock here, guys. And the yellow dock, as I noted, it's a blood cleanser, blood purifier. And it's also good for cancer and any kind of tumor. You can use it both internally and externally. I have just completed a video on the yellow dock, and I have some additional information on my blog, so do check it out. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And this is the leaf. I'll try to, this is a close-up of the leaf. And as you can see, we are not the only ones who benefit from these herbs. Life itself, there are other organisms, bugs. For example, can you see that ladybug there docked on the leaf? And some other smaller, I'm not sure what those are, some small organisms that looks like small bugs that lives on the leaves. So that is the yellow dock, guys. Let me try to get a close-up of the leaf. Can you guys see the leaf? And this is what the underleaves look like. It doesn't grow tall. It will go from 2 to 4 feet. That's how the yellow dock will grow. I find that, and it could be just the area that I am in, I find that it grows near the burdock. It's not usually far. And this area, there are more. There's another yellow dock. And there are more even down this side. There's just a whole lot of yellow dock here, guys.